Hi Cancer, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for November 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to use these oracle decks that I have here. Cancerians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support on this journey. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November 2021, we have the Chariot card. This is certainly the time when you felt that you needed to move about. Perhaps you were getting the support to help others to overcome the problems. Incidentally, Cancerians, in this period you were quite temperamental. Maybe you needed to resolve those issues that you had with your father or a paternal figure, that is. Maybe technical issues had kept you busy. Incidentally, I am also picking up the technical issues could bother you in November as well. I think in this time communication had also increased. Possibly, you would have benefited if you were networking, but then you were reluctant to do so. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that November is going to pose for you is the World card. I think you want to feel a sense of contentment. Maybe in financial matters or in professional matters, I think you shouldn't come across as someone who demands too much. I think greed could lead to your undoing. Nevertheless, Cancerians, I think this month you need to collaborate and cooperate with others. Maybe you feel that someone is also trying to undermine your position at work. But then you have those colleagues who are going to be supportive of you. So that is something which you should look forward to. Influences for November, we have the Two of Pentacles here. You are juggling money and energy at this time. Certainly, this is turning out to be a mixed bag for you. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you need to follow your instinct and come to your conclusions. I think you may also turn to someone who has always given you advice, but then it would be prudent to follow your own hunches. It's quite possible also, Cancerians, you could be a bit baffled because of contradictory information that is there before you. Perhaps you should redo the work or review the assignments that you're working on. The first 10 days of November, we have the Temperance card. Slow and steady wins the race, as the saying goes. I think you need to be patient, you need to bide your time. Possibly you have to put up with the delays, but then you should take heart from the fact that you will be able to achieve what you set out to do. I think at times, Cancerians, you could find yourself getting worked up for nothing. Sometimes, you may also be a bit disturbed or perturbed on account of your home life. Maybe you desire harmony. Professionally, I think this is the time to network, to build on your contacts. I think you're also dealing with jealous colleagues who are always sharpening knives behind your back. You need to be very careful while dealing with them. Perhaps you should see it as a challenge because, if you give in to what they want, then they are going to come away victorious. Many of you could also be dealing with taxation issues. Even if money comes in, you may be wondering about your taxes, that is. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th November, for Cancerians, we have the Page of Wands. Restlessness marks this time. I think you want to unearth the real purpose of your life. Maybe you want to understand where your life is taking you. This is also the period when you get a chance to rectify your past mistakes. Some of you could also be socializing a bit at this time. Still, there are going to be those days when you'll be a bit withdrawn or detached. Nevertheless, Cancerians, your creativity is going to be in full swing because this is the Wands energy. So certainly, your output is also going to be appreciated. Communication will also bring in gains for you. Though these days will be marked by hard work, I think you need to be patient. You will be able to complete or accomplish a lot. Towards the final days of November, that is 21st to 30th November, we have the Seven of Wands. Definitely you need to seek divine intervention at this time. It would also be prudent for you not to jump to conclusions, though at times you do feel that your apprehensions are coming true. For many Cancerians, this November is also going to be the time when you're going to get visions or you're going to be quite intuitive. Work-wise, I think you can expect a change in your schedule. I think there'll be some disruptions that could unnerve you a bit. Maybe there's also uncertainty because colleagues threaten to quit. Maybe you wonder whether they will turn up or not. Nevertheless, Cancerians, I think you are going to get up early or work till the late hours. With respect to your love life, I have this card mask. Certainly, someone here is not being upfront or honest with respect to his or her feelings. I think this person is wearing a mask, or he or she is hiding behind this mask. Many of you may want to initiate a romance, or maybe you want to send a message across to someone you fancy. I think you're following your soul's call, but then you shouldn't expect too much. Perhaps this person, like I said, could be hiding behind this mask. Sometimes, you may also feel there's no point pursuing a person who is unwilling to understand his heart's desire. Romancing Cancerians, most definitely you're dealing with a person who is quite insecure. Perhaps he feels that you have other suitors, so that is why you have your chances with the opposite sex. Maybe he thinks that you will dump him or spurn his affections sooner rather than later. Incidentally, I'm also picking up that maybe someone has feelings for you, but then this person could already be in a committed relationship, so that is why you feel that this person is being insincere. Maybe you want this person to come clean and tell his current partner that he is doing the same, though you will make it plain that you're disinterested in this person. Basically, I feel Cancerians, the issue of infidelity or unfaithfulness could be something that you need to maneuver this month. Those of you who are already married, I think you can benefit because you're going to get the support of your person. Possibly this person is going to assist you at work because we have the Two of Pentacles right here. The last card in this reading, Cancerians, is Violet, which talks about intuitive, spiritual, self-aware. Like I said, you are going to seek divine intervention this month. Possibly you're also dealing with the 7th chakra, which is the Sahasrara chakra. You're going to get messages and insight from the universe, from your angels or from your higher self. I think you need to focus on these messages which come in the form of dreams or visions, or possibly it could be something that you see on the social media which could be thought-provoking. Certainly this November is asking you to be self-aware and be more spiritually inclined. Maybe some of you are also dealing with blockages to the 7th chakra, so you need to use violet or even amethyst, which is here, right here. This stone can be used for cleansing the 7th chakra. I hope Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.